Maid. Can you go and call the king, His Majesty? Tell him food is served.
I think it will be better you go and call him and yourself. Knock on the first room by your right.
Don't you think the queen would mind?
Old man, the king gave you express access in this palace. So feel free.
You called me old? Don't let me curse you, else you will never get old. Thank you anyway. You're right. I'll go call the king myself.
So, what did you prepare?
You're special. You start with His Majesty. He is the king.
Of course.
I made it specially for you.
I cannot wait.
I know. I'll bring you to snow. Dish for the children. Dish for the children. Hurry up before it gets cold.
What?
What? What is it? Your Majesty, you're throwing up. Wind, do something.
Aqua!
Your Majesty! Jollof rice.
You prepared this meal? And you said it's my favorite.
Yes.
Yes! There you go. Did you pour the entire stuff we have in this house in this food? You see?
Do you want to kill us? Oh my god, it tastes like poison!
Demons, you more chicha. I mean, princess.
Just take a good look. What have you done? What is this?
So this is the rubbish you've been feeding my husband.
You should have been around to feed your husband yourself. I mean, yes. Well, something must have gone wrong.
Aqua!
Sir, Your Majesty.
Out.
Your Majesty tried the fish.
Girls, let's go.
Your Majesty.
One more word from you.
Please be careful so you won't cut my hair. You better keep this your hair. I'll give you my wife.
Ta-da! Girls, guess.
What's that?
Guess now.
What? There's no need to guess. I beg, how did he go?
Don't you girls trust me again?
We trust you. That's why I want to know our plan when.
Girl, relax. Just relax.
Girl, sorry, before you know that loyalty is your sis also.
Everything went as planned. I distracted her and I did everything.
So what finally happened?
Igwe and his family tested and abandoned the food for her. They were highly disappointed. Girls, I left when I knew that my mission has been accomplished.
Let me see how that woman will take away the attention of everyone from us now. I see her. She'll stand up this manners. What she deserves. Girls, all hands must be on deck. We won't give up opportunities for us.
Girls, is that
Deal! Please give us time. We're not coming.
Chimamama, Chimamama, evil spirit.
Oh, no.
Chai! Now you're welcome to my house.
How far now?
I'm good, you see. I will be waiting for you now. I thought you wouldn't come again.
Why not?
Evil spirit, my man! So, Alpha, where's the city bread I asked you to get for me?
City bread. I'm repackaging city bread now. What is city bread? So,
I don't understand. Which one is repackaging?
hold on.
Evil spirit, my man! My sister's investment! Blood!
This is all city bread. Take it and take care of your girls.
Did you give me this one to give to my sister?
I said take it and take care of your girls.
For me?
Yeah.
Just for the city bread? But this is too much now.
Oh, it's okay.
Evil spirit!
Let me tell you something. Where this one is coming, a lot of them are still there.
Evil spirit! I believe you. Thank you very much for this.
Wait. It's okay. What of your sister? How many army?
Nah, evil spirit. Why will you just stop? Eh? It is the right time you start saying my sister as your wife. She's your wife. Evil spirit.
You're bad guy. So what of my wife, Ami?
She's inside. Let me call her for you.
She's inside.
She's inside. Let me call. Ami, baby. Ami. My investment. Because Hey. Look at what my guy gave to me. 100,000.
Brother, where is your friend you say was coming today to see you?
Ami, this is Chima. I call him Evil Spirit. He's the one I told you that is coming from the city to see us.
Ami, baby. Ami, baby. Ami, look. I'm here to seek for your hand in marriage.
Exactly.
And as soon as you say yes, I'll commence the marriage rites.
Exactly.
See, I want you to be the mother of my children, Ami.
One time.
It's you!
You know each other.
brother.
I also had to go to
This is your trick. Huh? Well, I have good news for you. Your trick will not work on me. So after womanizing in this whole village, you have the guts to step your foot in my father's compound with marriage proposal.
Womanizing?
Huh? He has been sleeping with my two friends, Nikki and Nebechi. Now, brother, I need you to tell this your womanizing friend to stand up in peace like a gentleman that he is. And get out of this compound. Else you will leave here in peace.
Wait, can someone just tell me what is happening here? Which one is womanizer? Do you know each other before?
He is a womanizer. He has been sleeping with my two friends.
Hey.
You don't want to go. You don't want to leave. Okay, wait, I'm coming. You don't...
Womanizer what? Eh? So you're a womanizer? You trying to know my sister? I mean, don't bother. Okay,
you're still here.
He has gone. He has gone. Stop now. He has gone. He has gone. He has gone. He has gone. He's gone.
You see how cheap I'm to this man?
So he's a womanizer?
But I don't know him. I thought you said he's your friend.
I know him in the city as evil spirits.
When do you know someone that is staying in the city?
No wonder he's answering evil spirits. And that's an evil spirit.
Your Majesty, you sent for me.
Said.
Your Majesty, I am truly sorry for what happened earlier this morning. I don't know what happened. Something must have gone wrong somewhere.
If not for the fact that I have tasted your food, I would have told you otherwise. The question here is, what really happened?
I don't know. I really can't tell. I don't know what went wrong. But I promise you, it will never happen again.
Of course it will never happen again.
I'm so sorry. I wasn't...
I'll give you 2 days. 2 days for you to right your wrong.
I regret not preparing your supper.
Let it not happen again.
I promise you, never again. It won't happen again. I'll try. I'll be more careful. Okay.
Good night.
The weather should be going to bed.
Where's everyone? COVID! The gods forbid! Hamatan, where is everyone? Call them. Where are the maidens? Where's everyone? Your Majesty. Where are you? Where are the maidens? Call everybody. Aha! Great! I now have an heir. A son. How come none of you are celebrating with me? Huh? Keep laughing. Celebrate with me. Smile for me. Shake your bodies. Shake your bodies. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. That reminds me. Where is the queen? You know. Go to her room, call her. Tell her it's celebration time. Huh? Alright, go ahead. Move it. Aha. Everyone, keep dancing. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. I want to see your teeth. Yes, keep dancing. Shake your body. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Aha. It's celebration time. Aha. Yeah, here we go. Aha. Now you see the air. The air. Keep laughing. That's the cry of a baby boy. You're not dancing. Shake your body. Laugh for no reason. Laugh for every reason. Aha. Keep moving. Move it. Aha. Go big. There you go. Aha. Move it. Aha, my turn. Aha.
Kick me in the face!
Or should I give you the boy?
I want the baby.
You can't have him.
Give him to me.
No, you won't.
Give me the boy.
No, you won't take my happiness.
The boy.
You won't take my happiness.
Give me the boy.
No.
I want him.
No, you won't take my happiness. No, no. 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 Why am I still having those terrible dreams? Why? You gave me your words that this nightmare will stop. What is this?
How dare you speak to me in that manner?
How else am I supposed to speak with you? Tell me, what manner are you expecting? Lift you up? Hurt you? Yes, if that's what you want. I need answers. Why am I still having these nightmares?
Your Majesty, your stubbornness is getting out of hand. You must listen to the voice of wisdom, and that is my voice.
Just like I did.
If you must know, you have to pay attention. Okaro,
Boy.
Good. So I can tell you why the nightmares haven't stopped. I'm actually sitting with the king.
All right. I'm seated. What am I supposed to know? Talk!
It's about what happened before the curse.
Now, once again, you're welcome to my kingdom and palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Welcome. And I want to use this opportunity to urge all of you to give her the best of hospitality that you can during our stay here. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good.
Odogunwani, please, if there's anything you may need from us, do not hesitate to tell us.
Oh yes, do not hesitate.
Thank you so much.
Let me take it to you. This way.
And you can now go back to your duty posts.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Did you enjoy the walkout around my kingdom?
I absolutely did, Your Majesty. Your kingdom is filled with lots of natural and human resources. You have a vast kingdom.
That's so wonderful to hear. And thank you for the compliment.
I also want to use this opportunity to tell you that I am ready to return to my place of abode.
No. This is just 4 days that You've been here. You can't go just like that. You have to stay.
In that 4 days, Your Majesty, I have enjoyed enough hospitality from you and your people.
No, I actually want you to stay for 1 month. So you have to prepare your mind to elongate your stay here in the palace. Yes.
Your Majesty, prolonging my stay in your palace is not in my place to approve. I will, however, commune with the gods. If they sanction my stay, then...
I think I don't have a problem with that. Commune with the gods, and I believe that they will approve of it. See, you've done so much for me. I want you to stay this long so that you can enjoy the hospitality that my kingdom can offer you. Do you understand? Yes. Meanwhile, I would want you to go in and freshen up. When you're done, we can talk.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Once again, you're welcome.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, my dear. Has it been long she slept?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, very good. Make sure her food is ready before she wakes up. I do not want her to lack anything. Is that understood?
Your wishes may command, Your Majesty.
Well, I am here to discuss something very important with you.
What is it, Your Majesty?
Well, it is not against saying that you are a special maiden, and your benevolence has been echoed even on top the mountains. The truth is, I have this strong feeling for you, and I really would want you to be my second wife. Who knows? The gods might bless this union with an heir apparent to the throne. I beg of you, do not say no. Please.
Your Majesty, I am only but a messenger of the gods. And in the name of the gods, I am not allowed to have any carnal affair.
I know. But you can talk to the gods. Talk to them. They will understand. They know that I'm serious and I mean well for you. Talk to them.
Please leave.
Please, I am serious. Okay. Can you please think about it? Think about it.
Your Majesty, please leave. Now.
Just think about it, okay? I'm serious. I hope there is no problem. The truth is, I can't resist you any longer. Yes, my body, spirit, and soul craves to have you. Please do not say no, I beg you. Please. The truth is...
I say no, I forbid you.
Listen to me. I am going to make it a worthwhile experience for you. In fact, today is going to be your best and most memorable day in life.
Please leave this place.
Don't shout. People are there.
Stay away from me.
Please.
Stay away from me.
Stay
away from me.
Greetings, my queen.
Yes, Meetings. What is it?
My queen, there is something we noticed about her that we would like to talk to you about.
Go ahead.
My queen, she's pregnant.
How did you know?
My grandmother was a midwife, and she showed me the early symptoms of a pregnant person.
If she's pregnant, who might be responsible?
My queen, I think she's in a better place to tell you who that is.
Yes, my queen.
Go and call her immediately.
Yes, my queen.
I was reliably informed by the maidens assigned to you of your present condition. So tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Your husband, King Obidike.
You said?
He raped me.
Now I get it. You have other ideas of coming to this palace. Your mission is to steal my husband. Huh?
No, my queen. He forced himself on me.
I don't care who you are. I want you to leave this palace immediately. I, Obiageli, can be very nice. But when pushed to the limit, can be the most dangerous creature. Huh?
Yes, my queen.
My king, I need to know when our visitor would be leaving. She has been with us for over a month now.
She hasn't said anything as to when she intends to leave. Besides, I don't think it is proper to ask her to leave when she has not said anything about that.
I won't continue to live in the same roof with her. It's not possible. She must leave.
Obiageri, you are going beyond your limits. I am still the king of this land. I give the orders.
You think I'm not aware of your plan? to make her your second wife?
And what is wrong with that?
Is that why you got her pregnant?
Oh yes, I am responsible for that pregnancy. Besides, I'm an African. Our tradition supports polygamy.
Your Majesty, she must leave.
She must stay. She goes nowhere.
I'll leave.
You can't leave just like that. How could you? What about the child? You need my care now more than ever. Especially now that you're in this condition. Please, don't go, okay? Please.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. It is not my intention to bring trouble to your home. I hope you forgive me.
But you are not leaving!
Majesty, Anwana Bwebo Natani, Odogu Wanine. You know I trust you so much. I respect you a lot.
I know.
I can always count on me. There is something I want to ask you, and I need you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
Are you really responsible for that pregnancy?
Of course I am. Oh no, listen, what you hear is not just a rumor. It is the truth. Now listen, at this my position, I cannot lie again. Because the day I lie, that same day I die. In fact, I deflowered her.
Igwe, are you serious?
Of course I am serious. Hey! Telling you the truth. You know what? I enjoyed the experience. It was a wonderful one.
That's why I'm always talking about you. Odogu Akataka. Amana Bwebo Natani. You will live long, Igwe.
Yes.
You will live long.
Thank you.
In that case, we have to go and see her, so you can perform the necessary marital rites. Never can tell. She can give you a male child who will be the heir apparent to the throne.
Well, we have to do that as soon as possible. We have to go and see her so that she can take us to our people.
Exactly.
That way we can perform the conjugal rites.
Now you are talking.
You're welcome.
Iwe.
Akugo, now that the marriage rite has been completed, I want you to prepare so that we can live together.
Your wife, Obiageli, threatened me. I do not take her threats lightly. More so, the gods will have to approve before I leave this place.
So when are we expecting to see you in the palace? And as for Obiageri's threat, I can assure you there is nothing to it. Don't even worry yourself about that.
When I commune with the gods and they tell me when to leave for Umuagunze, I will send word to you.
But how soon would that be?
In a fortnight, I hope.
I think that is very fine. It's okay. May the gods be praised.
Check it out. Fast, check it out.
She's not here.
What? You mean she's not here?
Yes.
She could have been here. Eh? She's ought to be here.
Of course she's not here. What do we do?
You know what? I think we'll make our presence being felt by destroying this place. Yes!
I think you have a point. We have to destroy here.
In fact, I will even peace here. Destroy it!
Your Majesty, it calls for a celebration.
You can say that again. Maiden! Maiden!
Your Majesty.
Please go and get us water.
Your Majesty, where's your new bride? Or hasn't she come?
I haven't seen her. The time she gave to come has long elapsed. I don't know what exactly is the problem.
Are you sure all is well? In that case, you have to come and visit tomorrow.
That is not a bad idea.
Majesty.
You're welcome.
So, by what time am I going to be coming here tomorrow?
As soon as I see you here, we're going.
Okay, I'll be here tomorrow morning then.
That's okay.
Ebube, Ofo. Where is she now? What's keeping her?
See, that woman doesn't know we don't have any time to waste. Eh?
Happy.
Good afternoon.
Our queen, why keeping us waiting?
I'm sorry for that. I had to make sure no one was following me.
Please give us our balance because we're not supposed to be seen here by anyone.
How did he go?
Queen, don't you trust us? Ebubi and Ofo.
I do, but I'm curious to know how the plan was executed.
My queen, as a matter of fact, we destroyed her hut. We made sure we scattered everywhere.
So she was successfully killed?
Exactly.
Queen, she's gone. She will never be seen on the surface of this earth again.
Yes, now.
Believe me, we executed that deal yesterday successfully.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good.
I'm grateful.
Our balance.
Here's your balance.
Okay, thank you.
Come on, bring that. You won't like this. Calm down. You're dying now. Nice doing business with you.
Thank you.
Mobolami.
Our queen, in case of next time, call us again.
Let me see how she will give birth and come and destroy my home.
Onye kemechara.
Who did this? When did this happen?
Your Majesty, I don't really know, but the way I'm seeing it seems like it's been long.
Guard! Look around. See if we can find anything that will help us locate her.
God, do you see anything?
Did you find anything?
Why not? There's no person found here.
Where could she be? I'm worried about my one child. Anyway, let's go.
That is the Genesis. The beginning. It was Webido. That is how the curse came.
How does it concern me? How? Why is it so? Why is it haunting me?
Because you're the king. You said, you are the king. You are the king. That's why.
I'm the king. How do we solve this problem once and for all?
Why? You have to find her. You have to find her. That is the only way the problem will be solved.
How am I supposed to find someone I do not know?
See, you scare me when you shout. You are so stubborn. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. That's why your hair is growing like this. Check. Oh, the king. The king. I was just... Behave yourself. Holy... You want some holy water? Some... King.
Am I supposed to drink that?
It's meant for me.
Ami, baby, I called you here because I want to talk to you about Chima. Okay? Listen, Chima has been an old friend, okay? I know him very well. We grew up together before he traveled down to the city. I know his way of life back then. But maybe he's a changed person now. You called him a womanizer the other day. I understand that. Okay? Listen, I know Chima very well, okay? He might have slept with virtually every girl in this village, but that doesn't mean he would do the same to you. Huh? Just calm down, Biko.
But Osondo, what are you insinuating?
Listen, all I want from you is to give him a listening ear. It might mean well for you. Huh?
But Osondo, you're speaking this way because you don't know Chima. Eh? You don't know that young man. He's a womanizer. I can't deal with him. No.
Listen, Ami, I have known you from when you were born. You're my younger sister. I watched you grow up. Huh? I know you're a very strong, beautiful and intelligent girl. You can change any man if you want to. Huh? You can even change someone who is more promiscuous than Chima. Ami, my sister, that man loves you so much. I see it in his eyes. I said both of you are making a good home. Apart from what we are going to gain from him, but I know you're going to make a good family with him. Please, listen to him. Name.
Brother, I'm only considering his proposal because of you. Chima is a womanizer. I'm doing this because of you.
It's okay, and I assure you, you will not regret this. Trust me. Am I not also the elder brother again? Trust me, you will not regret this.
If you say so, brother, you can ask him to come.
I can ask him to come. Nah, you really made my day. But it's not just by you saying it. When do you want him to come?
Brother, is he not your friend? He's always welcome. He can come anytime.
Ami, baby! Evil spirit woman. Now I'm beginning to see that Chima's evil spirit in you.
Stop.
Don't worry. I'll call him right away to start preparing. No?
What did God say, sir?
I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth.
What is it, my son?
I demand to know who our enemies are. Who did my father offend? Why is a curse placed on the throne of Umagunze? Why? Who's responsible?
Your late father was a kind-hearted man who was loved by all his subjects. He had no enemies. Moreover, who is feeding you with these fables and fictitious lies?
Mother, that's not the answer to my question. Pay attention again. Who is this woman that placed the curse on the throne of Umuagunze? Who is she? I learned she vanished and no one knew her whereabouts. No one has seen or heard from her. But I just got an information that she is very much alive. The question here is, who is this woman? How do I find her?
Now I realize you believe all the rubbish that mad woman has been feeding you with. Because all your questions have no basis. I have never seen or heard that such thing happened. It is time you tell that woman to leave before she destroys you. I mean, you know she's mentally deranged. If you can't ask her to leave, I will send her out myself. What is it?
Who are you talking to?
Go back to your duty post.
I will, great one. But I have to talk to you before someone sees me.
He that goes to equity must come with clean hands. What do you want? Did you bring me palm wine? Huh?
No, great one. You have to be careful. It seems some people don't like you in this palace. I am off, Great One.
What will be? What will be? Will be. What will be? Will be.
Wait. Hey, my phone. Oh my God. Baby, yo. I'm on one. Baby, mo. You look good, baby. I love you, Kuma.
Come put the crap on.
Baby, my God. Baby, you are killing me. Baby, you are killing me. You are killing evil spirit, too. Chai, how are you?
Chimam. Todogum.
I'm okay.
Welcome. See the way I'm blushing. My love. See, Chima, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you very much for everything you have done for I and my brother. Thank you.
Baby, you've not seen anything yet. Calm down. By the time I'm done with you, you will it.
Welcome. That's the things you got for me.
It's alright.
I love them.
It's alright, baby. Thank God you like it, yeah. Baby boo! Asabo! My tabugum! Evil spirit! Oh, did I why? It's okay, yeah. I have to go now, yeah. I will come back by weekend, yeah, to commence our marriage plans, yeah. I see. Let me tell you something. On that day, I will ask you to leave my wedded wife. And what will be your answer?
Of course, yes.
Why would you say yes? Evil spirit!
But I'm not happy that you're leaving now. You're leaving so soon.
I have to go, baby. I have to go and make more money now.
Chimam.
Just to make you look good.
Okay,
evil spirit.
Say
hi to your brother for me on Sunday, yeah?
I will. Yeah, please drive safe.
I'll do, man. I don't want to die now, man. Baby, move.
Welcome, Mom.
Hey.
Hello. Bye bye. Bye. Look at you now. Hey, my investment. Why are you hiding the investment behind now? I will see that
you've not changed. Eh? Don't worry, I'll give you one of the chocolates. These dresses are not for
chocolate. All this is you will give me just chocolate.
Yeah, I'll give you chocolate. It's not for But let's go.
Chocolate. Give again. Chai, investment.
By the time we are through with her, she will run away from this palace.
We've already made this palace hot for her. Do you know everyone in this palace wants her to leave? I even overheard the Queen Mother telling Igwe that she will send her packing by herself if he does not send her packing.
But what are we even doing with a semi-mad woman? What is her business in this palace? Please let her go.
We'll continue with our plans till she leaves this palace. Hope we are all still in.
We are still in.
Why please be in?
She must have put vitamin C inside, you know. It helped boost our immune system, of course. I'm hungry. Shall we?
Vitamin C.
Yeah.
What is this? Urine?
Are you okay? Can you smell anything?
I can smell your armpit.
Ready? You saved us urine, didn't you?
Your urine? I never went.
Who did this?
Oh! Who did it? I don't know. I don't know.
But you saved this food!
Someone must have done it. I didn't do it.
Didn't do it?
Huh?
Who did?
I don't know. There must be some misunderstanding somewhere.
Get out. Huh? Get out, Aqua!
I am on it, Your Majesty. I am on it.
Your Majesty, when are you going to put an end to this madness by sending this woman out of this palace? When?
You just shouted at me. I'm act like I did not say it. Get out.
Excuse me.
Onye ke